Okay, I'm so excited, you guys. I'm gonna give you a sneak peek on the new fall colors. We actually have new lip liners and new waterproof eyeliners. So I wanna show you here really quick what we've got. This is inside of the expo, like I shared with you. So we have all of these new lip liners. You can check all these new colors out. And these are actually also waterproof as well. So super excited about all these warm shades, cool shades. They'll be a perfect color, as you can see, for every lipstick color that you can imagine. And then we have these awesome waterproof eyeliners here too, in black, steely brown, and the new blue, which is super hot. And I am going to show you here just how quickly you can actually remove and how much staying power these eyeliners have on your eyes here. So this color is the black. I'm just going to draw a little heart on my hand, sort of. There we go. We're just going to do that. And then we're going to let that sit for just a second. And then I'm going to show you, this is our new oil-free eye makeup remover. And it actually has non-waterproof and waterproof ways of removing your makeup. So it's going to be super easy. All you do is shake it like that. And then I'm going to show you, before I actually take it off with one of these cotton pads, I'm going to show you now how I just rub that and it's not going anywhere. So this stuff stays on. And then we're going to do this. Put a little of the oil-free eye makeup remover on the back of your hand. Just press it like that and literally wipe it away. So pretty awesome. No residue or anything. So now I'm going to show you the new Miracle set that is coming out in the fall. If you love the current Miracle set, you are going to be completely wowed by this one. So let me show you a little sneak peek. We're here actually in the expo. Right behind me is Lance, who is actually one of our chief scientists at Mary Kay. So pretty cool. So when we go to these expos here at Mary Kay, we can actually see everyone and talk to them in person, which is super cool. And so what he's doing is just sharing all the tips and all the new things that's going on in Mary Kay specific to this Miracle set. So just take a sneak peek here and look at all of these new. The packaging is different. It's all sustainable packaging, of course, just as Mary Kay does. They're very much into making sure that everything's environmentally sustainable as well. But the new ingredients in this new Time-Wise Miracle set, it does have the 3D complex in it, but in this set, you're not only getting your 4-in-1 cleanser, but you're also getting a separate moisturizer. But the two bonus products that are in here that are spectacular is the daytime protector that has SPF 30 in it, and then the nighttime recovery, which actually helps to correct your skin. So here's the big deal about this. You're gonna see results in as little as 2 weeks. So our previous Miracle set was about 4 weeks, which was phenomenal. But now in as little as 2 weeks, you're gonna see results, and I cannot wait for you to try it. So you're gonna have to check it out. Now, new beauty consultants that want to start their business have 3 different options, which is super cool. Here you can see what we have now is an e-start, but in the e-start, not only do you get the ability to have credit card processing and be able to have a website is included, but now you're going to get these beautiful samples as well in a nice little welcome package when someone becomes a beauty consultant. So check that out. You get the new Time-Wise Miracle set plus the eye cream samples, and basically a little manual almost to kind of start your Mary Kay business. And then down here is an e-start plus, where look at how many more samples you get. You're getting the charcoal mask, microdermabrasion, all of those amazing things. And then in addition to that, you're actually going to get a whole bunch of catalogs and the skincare profiles, sales tickets. So you are literally set up to get your business off and running right away. So here is the best way to start. It's the most bang for your buck, absolutely, because you are actually going to get a full Miracle set. Look at this full-size Miracle set in the formulations that you'll need, CC creams, all of that product that you see here. And then take a look at this cute bag. I love that bag. Is that not the cutest thing ever? So you're gonna get yourself set up with everything from the e-start plus you get all of this actual full-size product to help you begin your business, in addition to the catalogs and all of the tickets and things that you'll need to get your business started. So pretty good way to start. So this is the Mary Kay Pro Start.